Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD 1.0. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create the profile sketch. Create a new sketch. Then we need to select XZ plane. So we create and add arc and add line, constraint horizontal. Okay, next make dimension. We need 100 here, the radial 125 minus 5 and here minus 5 minus 85 plus. Okay. Next here. One from here. So 495 minus 5 minus 82. Okay. Next here 170 minus 5 minus 85 2. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained. We leave the sketch. Next we need to create a circle. New sketch. Sketch on XZ plane. Create a circle. The dimension is 85 plus 10. So it's not, oh no. 19.5. Leave the sketch. Next, we need hold control select sketch 0 and sketch 1. Hold control select two sketch and add pi. Okay. Next, we need to create this cylinder feature. So create new sketch, select XY plane, create a circle, make dimension 19.5 degree from this. Oh. External geometry, view sketch from the center to this point. The dimension is 380. Okay, close the sketch. Next, pad command. The dimension is 170 minus 5 minus. Okay. Next, we need partner the cylinder. Select the pad and then partner. Here we need to select offset 318 minus 3 and here 3. Good. Okay. Next we need to create the part. We select this face and create new sketch. external geometry, select this, clean the edge circle, create a new sketch. Concentrate symmetrical, and these 2 points concentrate horizontal. Add add a fold line and concentrate tangent. The fold line tangent to the arc. Okay. Trim the sketch. Make dimension here 190, and the radius 15. No, here it's concentrate equal. Tangent concentrate. Okay, we need to add 2 whole circle. Concentrate equal. And the diameter 50. Okay, we leave the sketch closed and pad command reversed 10 mm. Okay. Next we select pad 001 and learn partner. Select X offset 300. Here is 4. Good. Okay. Next, we need to create a hole. 85. So, create a new sketch. Then we select XY plane. External geometry, select this arc. And the view sketch. Create a circle. Make dimension 18.5. Close the sketch. Next pocket command. Select all. Reversed. Okay. Next select the pocket feature and learn partner. Select the offset 318 and numbers 3. Okay, good. Next we need to create this tube. Create a new sketch and select YZ plane. Create a circle. Diameter 18.5. Concentrate on this point. Okay, close the sketch. Next we need to select sketch 05 and sketch the main sketch. So hold Ctrl, select 2 sketch. Next here, subject look. Okay. Hide the sketch. Good. We finished this model. So we change the appraise. Select. Oh no. good. We quickly finished the model. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.